Valuable lesson. If she's emotional, if she want to talk, if she's trying to express herself, understand that that means she cares. Understand that she's emotionally connected. Understand that she's trying to express what you mean to her. So if you take that as her complaining, if you take that as her being annoying and her getting on your nerve, you're missing a very valuable point. She's trying to tell you how she feels, right? And if it's a buildup, her buildup is going to start looking like tears. She's going to be over emotional, because if it was healthy communication, she wouldn't be crying. So here's when you need to worry. When she stopped crying, when she stopped trying to express herself, when she stopped trying to explain herself, you're losing her.
Let's talk about it. Didn't I actually just touch on this, y'all? Like, yeah. Truer words have never been spoken on this topic. If a woman is trying to communicate with you and talk to you, that's because she loves you and she cares about you. It's not to nag you. It's not to get on your nerves. Like, she is expressing and pouring her heart out to you. When she gets to the point where she's not doing that anymore, yeah, you lost her. Oh yeah, definitely big time. You're hearing it from a woman. It's absolutely true. He's not lying to you. You think when she went quiet, that mean you won, right? You think when she went quiet, that mean, oh, she don't care about that anymore. I finally got her to get over that. If she brought it up that many times, sir, why you think that all of a sudden she don't care? Like, no, don't be fooled. You're fooling yourself. Because she's not fooling. She already expressed to you 1,000,001 times that that's important to her. You didn't care, right? Okay, so she said, okay, she finally accepted it. Yeah, he don't care. Yeah. What I'm saying means nothing to him. That's the point where she's at right now. She's like, okay, I thought this was the guy for me. I thought he cared about me. I thought he cared about my opinions, how I felt, my happiness, what's going on in my life. I thought all these things, but seeing as he keeps shutting me down, seeing as he keeps avoiding me, seeing as he keeps not wanting to talk to me, he keeps ghosting me, he keeps, talking down to me, belittling me, all those things that y'all get caught up in doing to try to win, because you're focusing on a win instead of focusing on a resolution. Yeah, you lose her. She goes ahead and accepts what you're giving her, what you're telling her with your actions. You may say 1,000,001 things about how you love her, but your actions have to follow your words. So when they don't match up, we just go ahead and get to the point where we're like, yeah, okay, this is what it is. I made a mistake in thinking that I had somebody that valued me, but I see that I don't now. So now I'm not going to waste my time anymore. Now I don't care anymore. They honestly don't care anymore regarding you. It's not they don't care about the issue anymore. They don't care regarding you. So they'll move on. They'll find them somebody else. They may even stay in a relationship with you. And then all of a sudden, she ready to go. She got somebody else on the back burner. She done jumped in a relationship with her. You see her out with somebody. You're like, where they come from? Well, they been there. Yeah. When they stop talking. But I'll see you in the next one.